cosmological standard model had two flaws, each making it impossible. All matter and energy appearing in an instant, a moment of creation, that's magic. Calling it a singularity, something outside physics, is semantics. Magic has no place in any scientific theory. And the observed accelerating expansion of the universe requires either a constant generation of an ever-increasing amount of energy pushing it, or an infinite amount of dark energy and dark matter pulling it, and each breaks a fundamental law of physics. A model-fitting observation that doesn't require assumptions may have neither of these problems. Albert Einstein predicted in his theory of general relativity that space-time was a single entity and that the rate of time in space was relative to the gravity acting upon that space. A predictable consequence of this deduction is that a light year cannot be a reliable measure of distance in space, because while the speed of light is fixed, we measure the distance it travels in Earth years, not the time the light is travelling through. Accounting for this insight of Einstein's, the centre of the universe can be shown to be the source of time. A focal point of gravity that is pulling the Sun, and through the Sun the Earth, on separate waves in time, into a future that lies beyond the centre of a theoretical universe of space. Time is radiating from this centre and the Earth is riding a wave.
Ooh.
Rather than accelerating away from a singularity, the evidence suggests we are tethered by time to a singularity of the future, a universal source of life. When the theory of general relativity is interpreted in this way, no assumptions are required. It conforms to observation and breaks no laws of physics. It also indicates time as a force. The cosmological standard model was built on assumptions that can no longer be sustained. It would appear we can choose to concede errors were made in the past, or perpetuate miracles of science. I invite you to explore the thought experiments behind this work for free. It's your mind.